This video goes into depth what is a Mailchimp template, how to make one, how to apply it, and how to find it when you made it. So Mailchimp just changed its dashboard and it does this quite a bit. But you're just going to go to create, and down here you have, there's two options to make a template. You can do it directly this way, or you can build it out from a regular email. I'll show you the regular email way. I'm just going to go back to an old email I was working on. Okay. And once you're okay with the layout, the button here, then you go to template on the upper right and you say save this design as a template. Now we create a new email, completely new. You can go to Save Templates and click Test. And there it is. So that shows you how to build the email and then save it as a template later. The second option is to go directly into the template. So you go to Create, Email, Template. And templates are a really great option for welcome emails, newsletter or template emails. Maybe you have a certain style for celebrating holidays. You could have a template for that. You could have a template for a new product launch. These are all really good examples of templates. Okay. This is just going to be a basic welcome email describing what the customer can expect for the email and what content they will receive in the future. Okay. I don't need this, but I'll probably keep the social media here. So once you're done, you say save and exit. And I'm going to go back and create another email. And then you go to your saved templates. And this is another one I worked on. And you just click that template.
So there you go. That's how you create a template from an email you're building or from the email template, and that's how you apply it once you're done and you're ready to apply the template. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more great videos like this.